Hi. Hi, Shukar. Are you having fun? Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi. Shukar says hi too. So today's episode is interesting, and of course, we decided to film it outside. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today Shukar is with me, and we are out. As you can see, we've come to our favorite cafe, which is actually our Daddy's Cafe, Shukar Daddy's Cafe. We are the Le Cafe in Chamber. Of course, things get easier here for us because it's Ashish's place and it's his baby project. But as a family, we love going out. हमें बाहर जाना, बाहर घूमना, बाहर खाना बहुत पसंद है. स्पेशली शुक्र और मुझे दिन में हम काफ़ी बार ऐसे ही लंच के लिए कॉफ़ी डेट्स पे हम निकल जाते हैं. एंड उसका रीज़न भी यही है बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे लगता है दैट शी नीड्स टू एक्सपीरियंस द लाइफ विद मी. Just because she's a baby, that doesn't mean that we can't go out, have fun. And as a mother, I feel that there are things that I liked doing. Like I like to just go out and have a cup of coffee. So why should I stop doing that just because I have a baby? In fact, all the more I want to do it because I have a baby. I want to do all those fun things with her. But रियल प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब हम बाहर खाने जाते हैं, आई थिंक मोस्ट पीपल they don't get the healthy food options for their babies and for yourself. So today I'm going to talk about a few healthy food options, recommendations for adults and for your toddlers that you can safely order, eat, enjoy. They taste amazing, they are healthy. So off we go. So first up is the baby option, roasted sweet potatoes. Yeah, Ishika's very excited to eat them. They are her favorite. And since वो अभी 1 साल की हुई नहीं है, there's still a little time. We're still avoiding salt. But of course, if your child is more than a year old, you can add the salt. So we've added pepper, and they can make it in olive oil or ghee. And मेरे लिए है ये quinoa salad. I love it. It's healthy, it's light. And quinoa is great because आपको वो प्रोटीन भी देता है, फाइबर भी देता है और आपका डेली डोज ऑफ कार्ब्स भी हो जाता है. So this is a great option. It has anar in it, which is one of my favorite fruits. Not so much for the taste, but anar is a very cooling fruit for me and it helps me relieve migraines. So I love having anar with anything. Let's try this first. For the 100th time, it's so good. Of course, you can try this quinoa salad at the Le Cafe, but pretty much a lot of restaurants may have it, or some form of salad. It doesn't have to be quinoa salad. Your barley salads, regular watermelon feta, easiest option, order a salad. But quinoa salad particularly because ये बहुत filling है. Usually vegetable salad से मुझे फिर भी भूख लगती है. Like खाने के बाद भी I feel like और क्या खाऊँ. After this quinoa salad, I feel like I've had a proper meal, so I feel nice and full. Shukar, do you want another piece of sweet potato? Okay, I can give you one. Good girl. She already had a couple before we started the shoot, so she's kind of full. But we'll never say no to a nice, big roasted sweet potato. Next up, some veggies for the baby. Could be steamed, grilled, sauteed. Most restaurants are happy to do it your way. I've got it done without the salt. Of course, you can add a little salt. And this is something that Shukar can eat, and so can I, because why not? They're veggies. And hummus, my favorite snack, meal. It's healthy, it's chickpea. You can actually eat it with the vegetables, or you can eat it with the lavash that they serve. Also pretty healthy, high in protein, and also good for sugar. So since she's about to turn 1, I do give her a bit of salt once in a while. तो आज मैं उसको थोड़ा सा hummus देती हूँ because Shukar, do you want some? Try. बिकॉज नमक काफ़ी कम है एंड थोड़ा बहुत नमक अभी खाना शुरू कर सकती है बिकॉज 1-2 हफ्ते में उसका बर्थडे आ रहा है. So again, super healthy, filling, high in protein, high in fiber, sort of a snack, easy to digest and enjoy. Next क्या आ रहा है? Oh, Shukar's favorite, salmon and the Mexican bowl. Looks so nice and bland. Shukar's favorite is the salmon. इसको यहाँ हटा देते हैं. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yes. Do you want another piece? She's already okay. We'll give you this, and you know what she wants from here is the nimbu. Shukar loves nimbu. I have to literally hide the nimbu and the salad from her because she loves it. This salad मैं नहीं दे सकती इसको because में बहुत नमक है. So my Mexican bowl has rice, vegetables, kidney beans, salad, tofu, some green leaves. I love these leaves that they put. I should find out what they are. I think this spinach. I'm not sure, but they are amazing. I can just eat a leaf on its own. Super filling, super amazing, a bit spicy. Shukar loves the salmon, clearly. So, salmon के बारे में funny story ये है. Shukar, do you want some more? When I was pregnant, पहले 5 महीने तक मुझे बिल्कुल भी नॉनवेज खाने का मन नहीं था. Like I would be like, I do not want this. And I was convinced that the baby that I'm having is going to love vegetarian food. And I prefer to have vegetarian food. And I was like, wow, you know, this baby is going to turn me into vegetarian and that's going to happen. And जो 6th and 7th month से मुझे non-veg की craving हुई. And she loves non-veg, especially salmon, fish is Shukar's favorite. And I think being from Calcutta, I have grown up eating a lot of fish. तो अब Shukar को भी बहुत पसंद है. And it's very healthy. I think fish in any form, especially salmon, बहुत ही अच्छी है growing babies के लिए. Blueberries, salmon, nuts and seeds. I think ये 3-4 चीज़ें हैं which babies should have. They are very very good for your brain growth particularly. They also say that हम बंदरों से आदमी इंसान तक का सफ़र हमारा salmon खा के हुआ है. So apparently monkeys went to the shore and then they found some fish which was salmon and they ate the salmon and that's how they became intelligent and we become humans. I got to fact check this, but I think it's a fact. So yes, Shukar's favorite salmon, and sometimes when she leaves it, not sometimes actually, all the time when she leaves it, I end up eating it. I think all mothers will relate to this. उसका बचा हुआ ठंडा खाना मैं खाती हूँ. And sometimes a pro tip, when she leaves the salmon, I also make a little tikki out of it. And yeah, I give it to her. And I never leave food at the restaurant. So जो भी बच जाता है खाना, I always do a takeaway ताकि हम घर जाके उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं या किसी को दे भी सकते हैं. So that's our 3rd or the 6th wholesome option. Let's get our last and final one. Thai curry rice. It's our comfort food. It's literally like the Thai version or the Western version of dal chawal. It's comfort. It's got everything. चावल है और करी है, और ये करी मुझे इसलिए ज़्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज इसमें कोकोनट है एंड सारी वेजिटेबल्स है. व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड? आई लव कोकोनट एनीथिंग बिकॉज कोकोनट अगेन बहुत कूलिंग होता है, गुड फैट्स होते हैं, आपकी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा है वगैरह वगैरह, और ऑब्वियसली शुगर के लिए भी. ये थाई करी मैंने ऑलरेडी शेफ़ को बोल के थोड़े बहुत ही कम सॉल्ट के साथ बनवाया है. सो इवन शुगर कैन ईट इट. डू यू वांट सम थाई करी? या Shukar's like, today we are having so many courses. Usually I like to keep it simple with her. 1-2 maximum 3 चीज़ें. Come, Babu. Shukar, do you want some broccoli? Take it. Take it. And amazing. Oops. She does like it. It's just that she's in that phase of cause and effect जहाँ पे वो हर चीज़ फेंकती है और फिर वो देखती है कि क्या ग्रेविटी है या वो चीज़ उड़ के वापस आएगी. Again, mothers will get that. So while I am getting very busy eating all of this, and it is a lot of food that I have to finish on my own along with Shukar. Do tell me your top recommendations that you have or cafes that you like to try. These are our favorites, which are healthy, which are easy to eat, easy to order, and also I think most restaurants are kind enough to like tweak it to your requirements. So if you have a baby under 1 like me, you can tell them spices mat add karo, salt mat add karo. Most restaurants are gracious enough to accommodate that. And yeah, I think happy eating, healthy living, and that's our mantra. And we're gonna go ahead and enjoy and finish all of this. Bye bye. You want some more? You want a vegetable? Yeah, Shukar's eating the rice.